Welcome back, guys, and I found these service codes to be useful if you're in Kenya. So I found this tweet. For example, if you want to find unclaimed assets, you go to this *361 hash, then the CRB. If you want clearance, you dial that. Then there's the NHIF, this is a medical service. Then there's HELB. There's also the NSSF. You just dial these codes and they will help you to figure out how to navigate. Then there's SIM registration status. There's a lot. You can pause the video if I'm going too fast. You have Nairobi Water. You have Nairobi County Services. Then there's also the NTSA, and you just SMS to that number 22846 your ID. Check the status of your DL. There's Coop Bank and all these other banks like Absa, Family Bank, Equity. We have KCB. The USSD code is *522 hash. There's Okoa Jahazi. Some don't know the Okoa Jahazi. *131 hash. There's also the Mwalimu National Circle and all that. I found this tweet useful and you may need it. So those are the service codes if you're in Kenya. Thank you for watching and remember to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.